Hey there, in this quick video I want to talk about the Xiaomi CW400. If it's not connecting and if it's not, let's say, even working for you, what you can try to do, because I had this issue also. Now the solution for there are two types of solutions. First thing first, you want to reset it. From the bottom you just have to take this out, and there right under it you're gonna have a button, and what you have to do is just like press and hold the button for about 10 seconds. So this is the first thing. And it's going to set resetting now. The second thing that you can try to do is that if you have this problem connecting to Wi-Fi, then what you want to do is don't have it for Wi-Fi, but you want to try to connect it for extender. Like, this is the first thing. If you have extender, get an extender and try to connect it to that. And it can be like about 5, I think, 5 the thing there, the GAZ or something like that. How I fixed the issue on my end, I connected to the notebook, I connected to my laptop hotspot. So what you want to do, and this is something that I did, is the first time that I just set it up, I just connected to my laptop hotspot, and that's how it worked for me to actually set it up for my phone. And that's something that if you want to, you can also try that if it's going to do with the laptop hotspot. If you're just going to write in Google hotspot for my laptop Windows, and it's going to show you the guide, and this is how you can possibly fix the issue too. So I hope I helped you with this video. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.